This is the expected dropout rates from the follow-up and triage screenings sheet on the C4P Success tool. You'll see that it starts by bringing forward the types of referrals that were made from the previous sheet to follow-up triage screening normal, to primary rescreening in 1 year, to ablation treatment, to excision treatment, and to cancer diagnosis and treatment referral. At this point, the only thing that we need to do is to adjust these sliders here according to what we think the dropout or loss to follow-up rate is going to be for each of these referrals. For example, here I might have 10% for follow-up triage screening normal to primary screening in 1 year. I might think that that's going to be a little higher, and so I might put it to 20% here. Also, I might think that the follow-up treatment to excision might be a little higher, so I might put that to 20%. And the follow-up to cancer diagnosis and treatment referral, let's say I say that's 30%. By clicking and then holding down and sliding these sliders, I can set the dropout rate, which will show right here. That will give me the results of how many persons will be lost to follow up for each of these referrals in each year, and we'll be able to delete those or deduct those from the number of procedures that we will need to be able to do in that particular year.